Yo, 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 yo. Hey guys, this is your artist TolgArt and welcome to a new video. Today I will do my first ever 3D drawing. I will draw Goku Ultra Instinct raising his hands high to do a spirit bomb. But before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload 2 videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my uploads, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and otherwise you will not get notified. And one more thing, I will give away one original drawing of mine, but all the information's about that at the end of the video. Now we can start to draw 3D Goku. Let's go go go! So, finished with this sketch. I don't know why, but I had to try this 10 times before it actually worked. Sometimes you have days when you can't even draw a stickman, but this one looks really good. And I managed to draw him perfectly in this A4 size paper with his hands raised high. Okay, we are good to ink this one. Let's go! So the inking is done and it looks perfect. I still wonder how I managed to draw this almost perfectly in this paper size. If you watch closely, there is almost no space above the hands and under the feet. I think that's a gift of an artist, right? Right? But anyways, for all the materials I used so far, check out the info box, guys. Now let's get the Copic markers out. Look at the colors. Goku never looked this good before. So now we need the scissors. The scissors. Weird word. Very weird word. I just realized that I used one of these things the last time I was a child. And now I have to cut this one so accurately. So much pressure, guys. You can't imagine. Oh, it worked. Cool. This version looks pretty cool. I remember when we did something like this as kids. We cut out Goku and Vegeta and all the other characters like that, and then made a tournament with all the characters fighting. Good old times. Now, I will make the ground, which will give this drawing the 3D effect. Give me your energy. Goku Ultra Instinct doing the spirit bomb. This was my first time ever doing a 3D drawing and it looks amazing. I am really happy with it and it was fun to draw this. If you like it too guys, just let me know below and thumb up the video. That would be great. Now to the giveaway. I will give away one original drawing of mine to one of my subscribers. All you have to do is to write a comment below. That's it. Just leave a comment and I will choose a random person until my next video, which will be on Wednesday. And the drawing which I will give away to one of you is Goku with the 3 forms in one drawing. So if you want to have a chance to win this, just leave a comment below. Maybe you will be the winner, who knows. And yes, that's it for today. Thank you for watching guys and I'll see you next week. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.